Next heading is consumers. We have done about producers. We said that the green plant are the producers, and what are the producers? Anything which prepare their own food, they are called as producers. We call them as autotrophs also. Okay. So the next heading is your animals as consumers. Page number 66. The organisms that eat the food prepared by the producers are called consumers or heterotrophs. Heteros means other and trop means nourishment. That means all the organisms that eat the food which is prepared by the producers. Who are the producers? The plant. Whatever the plant prepares, and the organisms which eat those things which are prepared by the plants, those organisms are called as heterotrophs और consumers. Consumers का मतलब क्या होता है? जो कोई चीज को consume करता है, use करता है. Okay? So the plants, they make the food, they are the producers, and there are organisms which just consume those things which are made by which are produced by the plant. So they are called as consumers or heterotrophs. Heteros means other and troph means nourishment. All animals and human beings fall under this category as they depend directly or indirectly on producers for food. Consumers can further be divided into three types based on their food. They are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. So your consumers are divided into different categories depending on the kind of food they eat. Some animals, they are non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians means that they eat meat. Okay. Some animals, they only eat the plants, grasses. Okay. So the category is categorized on the basis of the kind of food they are eating. Okay. That is how they categorized into four types, which they are saying as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers. Okay. Let's do herbivores. Herbivores are those who eat only plants. For example, cow, elephant, rabbit, goat and sheep are some animals who are herbivores. Herbivore means those animals who eat only plants. That means they are vegetarians. Okay. Then the next category is carnivores. Carnivores are those living beings who eat only meat. For example, lion, tiger, owl, fox and snake are some carnivore animals. That means carnivores means the animals which eat meat. They are non-vegetarians. Okay, they eat meat, and they have given you the examples of the carnivores. Then the next category is omnivores. Omnivores are those who eat both plants and animals. Bear, and please see the pronunciation, it is not bear, it is bear. Squirrel and human being are some omnivores. Omnivores means all those animals which eat plant as well as animals. They eat both plant as well as animals, and that is why they are called as omnivores. They have given the examples, so you can just read the examples. The next category is your scavengers. Scavengers are another type of consumers who feed on dead plants and animals. As I said in the beginning of the chapter, that they are called as the cleaners of the society because they clean the dead bodies from the ground. Okay, so they eat only the dead plants and animals. By eating away the dead plants and animals, the scavengers help in keeping the environment clean. Jackal, crow and vulture are some scavengers who feed on dead animals. Termites feed on dead plants. Termites, you know what termites are? Termites का मतलब होता है दीमक. Okay, हिंदी में जैसे दीमक कहते हैं. So they are also one of the scavengers and they feed on dead plants.